In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club checkout not working. First, verify your internet connection. Start by making sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Next up, confirm your membership is active. Some purchases require an active Sam's Club membership. Sign into your account and verify that your membership is current and has not expired. If necessary, renew your membership before attempting checkout again. Check that your credit or debit card details are correct, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Make sure your card has not expired and that you have sufficient available funds. If one payment method does not work, try using another accepted payment option. Next up, clear cache and cookies for the browser. So click on three dots given at the top right, select the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Click on site settings. Click on view all permission. Now here search for Sam's Club. Click on the trash icon for it and confirm it. Likewise, disable any VPN or proxy services. For that, head over to this section, extensions. If you found out any suspicious extensions over here, disable it or completely remove it. Likewise, check for a browser update. For that, click on this option about Chrome. If any updates are available, just update it. Next, check the server status of Sam's Club. For that, launch your preferred browser. Head over to the website down detector, search for Sam's Club. Now if you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Next thing you can do is use another browser such as Edge or Firefox. From there you can try to access Sam's Club website and then try to check out. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.